Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed Bedhead. We are now going to use this book to do our strategy, Somebody Wanted But So Then, which is a summary strategy. It has an example on here and it's using the Big Bad Wolf. So we're going to follow this example in practicing with Bedhead. So I'm going to change my font so you guys can tell what it is. Okay, so who's the main character? It is Oliver. And what did Oliver want? He wants his bedhead to be gone. Okay, but nothing he or his family does fixes his hair. So Oliver puts a baseball cap on to fix his hair, except for when he must take it off for pictures. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to actually write our summary, and we're going to use everything that we just did here. So we have Oliver wants his bedhead to be gone, but nothing he or his family does fixes his hair. So Oliver puts on a baseball cap to fix his hair, except for when he must take it off for pictures. Okay, so we're gonna put Oliver. I don't like that font. Let's do a different one. Let's do that one. So Oliver wants his bedhead. What did we say? Bedhead to be gone. To be gone. But nothing he or his family does. But nothing he or his family does fixes it. So Oliver puts a baseball cap on to fix his hair. To fix his hair. Okay, so let's look so far. How did they do the summary up here? Big Bad Wolf wants to eat pigs for dinner. So he goes to their house. Let's see this. Big Bad Wolf wants to eat pigs for dinner, but they keep escaping to new houses made of straw, sticks, and brick. The wolf blows down the houses except for the one made of brick, and he goes hungry. So the Big Bad Wolf wants to eat pigs for dinner, so he goes to their houses. But they keep escaping to new homes made of straw, sticks, and bricks. So notice it's not exactly the same thing. They're adding a little bit. So Oliver wants his bedhead done, but nothing he or his family, oops, I spelled that wrong. Family fixes it. So Oliver puts a baseball cap on to fix his hair. Then in school, he must take off his cap for school pictures. And his bedhead hair explodes all over the place. His school picture is unforgettable. Okay? Oh, I spelled that wrong. 2 T's. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting for you guys to do on the hitchhiker. If you have any questions or concerns, Tuesday at 1 o'clock, don't forget, for Google Meets, it'll be on your page there. Come ask me questions or we can practice together. Have a great day.